Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create rules in Outlook for automatic email sorting. First, open Outlook on your desktop. Next, click the File tab. Then, select Manage Rules and Alerts. Click New Rule. Choose a rule template or start from a blank rule. Select the conditions for the emails. Choose the action, such as move to a folder. Click Next. If you don't need exceptions, click Next. Now, give your rule a name. Make sure Turn on this rule is checked. Click Finish. Then, click OK again. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.